Peatlands are hydrological systems that need water to prevent the release of carbon emissions and support peat-building plants like sphagnum mosses. Using EU Life funding, the Life Moor Space project installed a series of dip wells on Thorne and Crowle Moor in 2023 to monitor water levels. Popping a dip well into a peatland requires geosock, a dip meter, some caps, a Bluetooth reader, Kevlar string, some dip well tubes and a data logger. And now we're off to site to get some results. The loggers collect heaps of data which is converted into groundwater level data. Our drone surveys mapped out areas that need more or less water, as well as bare peat patches that need revegetating with sphagnum mosses, so that we can prevent carbon loss and build up peat depths to actively lock away more carbon in our site. Our LIFE grant has enabled us to clear and block drains so we can get water to where it's needed, and when we've got too much, we pump it off-site. All of this work means that in 2024 and 2025 we can plant loads of sphagnum on the moors and maintain water levels efficiently whilst they establish. Once they have established, the mosses store loads of water, making it easier to manage water levels over long periods of time, and this protects the peatlands through hot, dry summers.